Welcome back to Car Showcase. The 2025 Toyota GR Corolla is a true performance machine wrapped in a compact, aggressive body. It's built for drivers who want more than just a daily commute. They want excitement, control, and that raw, connected feeling that only a manual transmission and all-wheel drive can deliver. Powered by a 1.6-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, this hatchback cranks out 300 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. That might not sound huge until you remember how lightweight and agile this car is. It's paired with a 6-speed manual gearbox that puts you right in control of the action. Whether you're carving through twisty roads or just having fun on your daily drive, the GR Corolla feels alive under your hands. One of its standout features is the GR4 all-wheel drive system. It lets you choose how the power is split between the front and rear wheels, so you can dial in the handling just the way you like it. The result is a car that grips hard in the corners and launches with confidence, even on slippery roads. For 2025, Toyota has fine-tuned the suspension to sharpen the handling without making the ride too stiff. The steering is precise and responsive, giving you real feedback from the road. It's the kind of car that invites you to push it harder, rewarding you with every turn. Visually, the GR Corolla doesn't hold back. Flared fenders, a wide stance, aggressive air vents, and a triple-exit exhaust make it look just as wild as it feels to drive. Inside, it's purpose-built. The sports seats hug you tight, the leather-wrapped steering wheel feels great in your hands, and the aluminum pedals give it that race-ready vibe. But it's still packed with modern tech, like a digital instrument cluster, a responsive infotainment screen, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Toyota offers a few versions to choose from. The base core model is already loaded with performance, but the premium trim adds more comfort and features. Then there's the Circuit Edition, which is limited production and comes with special upgrades like a carbon fiber roof and performance differentials that really enhance its trackability. Even though it's focused on performance, the GR Corolla doesn't ignore safety. Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard, bringing features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and emergency braking to help protect you when you're not blasting through corners. The 2025 GR Corolla starts at around $37,000 for the core model, while the top-tier Circuit Edition is expected to be priced closer to $46,000. It's set to arrive in dealerships by summer 2025, and with limited availability, it's likely to sell out quickly. This isn't just a car, it's a driver's car. The GR Corolla takes Toyota's reliability and wraps it in a thrilling, motorsport-inspired package that makes every drive something to look forward to. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in next video.